Welcome to Marigold Lesson, Puppy and I. In this session we shall recite the poem written by A. A. Milne.
I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I.
Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I.
It is such a rhyming poem. Let's understand the meaning of new words before we look at the poem's meaning. The word village means a group of houses and other buildings that is smaller than a town, usually in the countryside.
Example sentences are: both my grandparents live in a village near the airport. In my village we have an agricultural land of our own.
The word hill means a raised area of land smaller than a mountain.
Example sentences are: the train is moving by the side of the hill. The water is falling from the hill.
The word bread is used to mean the things a person needs to live. Usually it refers to chapati, rice, or the bread, used as a staple diet.
The examples are: she got a job to earn her bread. The bread sandwich is very tasty.
The word hay means grass that is cut, dried, and stored for animal food.
Example sentences are: I saw a big field filled with heaps of hay. The horse ate hay in the evening.
The word roll means to move by turning over and over.
The examples are: Raju and Ravi rolled down the hill. The baker rolled the balls of dough on coconut flakes.
The word play means activity that is meant to relax or amuse.
The example sentences are: I play with my friends every evening in the park. We have a big play area in our school.
The child singing the poem first meets with a man, and asks if he is ready to come with him. The man refuses, saying, No, not I. He says he is busy going to village, to get some bread. Then the child asks the horse. Even the horse refuses, saying, No, not I. It is busy going to village, to get some hay. Then the child meets the cute puppy, who says he is going up the hill to roll and play. All excited, the child reciting the poem decides to join the puppy and play. Now let's answer the questions from the textbook. Who is the I in the poem?
I is a child in the poem.
Where was the man going?
The man was going down to the village to get some bread.
Why didn't the child go with the horse?
The child did not go with the horse, as he was going down to the village to get some hay, and was not interested in playing.
Why did the child go with the puppy?
The child went with the puppy, as it was going up the hills to roll and play.
With this we have come to the end of the session.